Hi guys, this is Natalie Deeb. I'm a physical therapist at Catalyst PT and Wellness in San Diego. And today I'm going to show you how to download the Zoom app onto your computer for the very first time. The first thing we need to do to download the app is go to Zoom's website. So I'm going to open up my internet browser. I have Safari opened here, and I'm just going to Google Zoom. Hit enter. The first thing that popped up is Zoom video conferencing, which is what we want, so go ahead and give that a click. To download the app itself, we want to go to Resources on the top right-hand corner and to download Zoom Client. There are a couple options here, but we just want the first one, Zoom Client for Meetings, so hit download. And you can see that download automatically starts by itself. And it'll pop up and down when it's ready, so click that and open up that Zoom. From here we need to let Zoom finish installing onto our computer, so hit continue and install. You may be prompted at this point to enter your password and install your software. And great, our installation was successful, so close out of that, and you can move the installer to the trash. And perfect, we've successfully downloaded the Zoom app onto this computer. This little icon is the application itself. The nice thing about Zoom is you don't necessarily need to have an account or sign in to use it. From this point, to join a meeting with your therapist, hit Join Meeting and enter that meeting ID. Please check out our other videos to see how to get this meeting ID and how to join your first Zoom meeting with your therapist during your actual appointment time. If you have any other questions, you can always refer to the Zoom webpage itself. Again, you can go to Resources, down to Frequently Asked Questions. And they have a nice long list of questions and answers to help you out. But as always, please give your PT a call if you still need more help. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and we hope to see you soon at Catalyst.